Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to upload a file to Google Drive on Android and share the link. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Upload. Now, select the file you want to upload. It can be a photo, a video, or a document. Wait for the upload to finish. You will see the file appear in your Drive once it is ready. Next, let's share the file link. Find the file you just uploaded and tap the three dots next to it. From the options, select Share. A new screen will open. In the top right corner, tap the three dots, tap Manage Access. Here, you can choose who can view the file. Select anyone with a link if you want to make it easy to share. You can also set permission to viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you need. Once you have set the right permission, tap the Copy Link button. The link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into a message, an email, or anywhere you want to share it. That is how you upload a file in Google Drive on Android and share the link with others. Thanks for watching.